I'm at with 731 Woodworks. Let me show you how to build this organizer, coat rack, key ring, multi-use piece of thing. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you'll check the description, there's always show notes and useful links down there. So to start out, I'm going to take my 1x4s, I'm going to cut 6 of them at 20 inches. Then I'm going to take 4 2x4s at 12.5 inches long. For my top and bottom boards only, I'm going to drill and countersink holes on each end. So you saw me pre-drill the holes with a countersink. We're going to start putting it together. Just going to use a little bit of glue here. You don't have to use glue. It gives it a little extra bonding, so I like to use it. Just do one side at a time. We'll use 1¼ inch screws. This is 3/4 of an inch thick, so you get plenty of the screw in there to help hold it all together. It's not going to take a lot because this thing's not going to be weight bearing anyway. Keys, wallets, stuff like that. Just kind of a organizer as you come through the door and drop your stuff. When you leave, you'll have it handy. Anyway, so all I'm doing is flushing everything up on this end. Make sure it's flush with the end. As I'm doing that, I'm thinking better of it. It'd be a lot easier with the clamp. You don't have to have a clamp, it just makes life easier if you can snug it up and then you can adjust it as you need and it's not going to move on you. Got that end on, I'm going to do this end and do the same thing on the top. And these will be 2 in the middle. Like I said, I'm just going to put 2 screws in each one. Right there, I'm just centering everything up. And then I measured down 1 inch and up 1 inch for my screw holes. Pre-drilled the same way. Go ahead and screw those in. Just a reminder, if you like DIY builds like this, I'll put a card up that you can check out my other videos as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the front face on. I'm not going to screw these in because I don't want those screw holes. But I'm using some brad nails on the front. And then the back, I got 2 boards, one on the top, one on the bottom. Now I'm measuring for those 2 shelves that are in the middle. And just got 2 pieces of scrap. I'm going to cut 2 shelves to fit perfectly in there on each side. And then the middle will have just an open bay there, no shelf. I'm just going to use some glue and glue these shelves in. And when I put my other backboard on, I'm going to just nail them in with brad nails. Here I was initially going to just use 1 board on the back, but I just didn't like the way it looked. And I thought that maybe 2 would fit in there just right, and sure enough, it was a perfect fit for 2 1x4s to fit perfectly in there. And I just brad nailed those in. Just using my DeWalt orbital sander, some sand net Diablo sandpaper, 120 grits, all I'm going to use. Just get everything nice and smooth, then you have to hand sand the inside. Put on a little Minwax pre-stain conditioner. And then before I stain anything, I'm going to drill the holes for my hooks. I got those keyring coat hooks. Just got those at Walmart. But I get everything leveled up, center it in between each bay, and I just pre-drill those holes before I stain it. Now I'm going with the Minimax Dark Walnut stain. If I had to do this over again, I would have stained every one of these pieces before I put it all together. This was a challenge to get in those areas down in there, get everything stained. I just wipe on a good coat, and then come back with a rag and wipe off the excess. If you want to see some tips and tricks on my staining, you check out the video I'll link to in the cards here. After that stain is dry, we go with the General Finishes High Performance Top Coat Satin Clear Coat. I love this stuff. You can check it out in that video I mentioned before. Also, if you'll check the description below, you'll see links to a lot of these products like this General Finishes and that stain I was using. I put 2 coats of that General Finishes Clear Coat on, and now I'm going to attach my hooks. So this is our final product. Come out nice. We stained it a dark walnut. Has these coat hooks on there. The customer's going to hang it on their wall in the entryway. And so when you come home, you can take your wallet, set there on the shelf. You got keys that'll hook there. Also, you can take and hook your jackets on there, or your keys, whatever you want to do. You got your wallet in there. You can actually stick your phone there. And anything you want to keep organized and keep handy by the door, this is going to do it. It's turned out really nice. All it took is some 1x4s and 2x4s. That's it. So this is going to keep everything organized by the door, keep everything handy so you don't forget your keys, don't forget your wallet, don't forget your phone. So like I said, this is going to be really nice for the customer. It come out nice. I actually want one myself now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. I really do.